What's going on, everyone, and welcome to the Rabid Mining YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to mine Flux in Windows 10 as well as Hive OS. There is also a 500 Flux giveaway going on until the end of the month. 500 Flux at the current pricing, that is about 530 US dollars. So that would greatly help out our monthly mining profits to one lucky winner. Let's run through these giveaway details because I'm sure you guys are curious. So here we are at HeroMiners, who did sponsor this video. Thank you very much, HeroMiners, for helping out the channel. The giveaway runs at flux.herominers.com starting now through August 31st of 2022, so upwards to the end of the month. The prize is 500 Flux, meaning there will be one lucky winner. The winner will be announced on September 1st, 2022 and selected by drawing an address randomly from the pool addresses. So obviously you got to be mining on the pool in order to get selected. Any address can enter up to 5 times, as there will be 5 snapshots of actively mining addresses made at the pool at undisclosed dates. An announcement will be made stating that there's still 1 snapshot left. It's disallowed to enter the giveaway with multiple addresses, and anyone who violates this rule will be removed from the giveaway with a notice. All communications will be handled at HeroMiners Discord and Telegram. I'll have all the links in the description below. So use your mining address, point to HeroMiners to mine Flux, which I will be showing you guys how to mine Flux to HeroMiners in this video, and they will be doing a snapshot randomly 5 times throughout the month. And the earliest and soonest you get onto the pool, the more snapshots you could have of your wallet. We're about halfway through the month now, so there's about 2 weeks left in this giveaway. So why choose HeroMiners over other Flux mining pools? So unlike other mining pools, HeroMiners is offering a 0% pool as well as a 0% parallel asset fee until the end of September. Trying to get more hash rate in, help them out and you will get 0% pool fees. Also, they're paying their parallel assets instantly within each block found. So parallel assets that are activated are your Ethereum, Binance, Cadena, Tron, we got Solana, and they're all added to the pending balance as Flux immediately as a block is unlocked. Parallel assets that are inactivated are added to the future PA balance and will be paid with the Flux development team activates them inactive parallel assets in the future. So you're still getting inactive terms, and once they're all enabled, you will be getting bonuses later on. All right, so now let's show you how to mine Flux starting off in Windows 10 with my RTX 3080 GPU. Okay, so the first thing you are going to need, just like any cryptocurrency, is a wallet to store your Flux on. I would recommend Zelcore because it works seamlessly with any of the Flux nodes if you plan on staking any of your mined Flux. So here I am inside of income here, and I do have my Flux set up. If you do not have Flux in here, simply click on Manage Your Assets, go to Add Assets, and then simply type in Flux. And then it'll bring up all the different networks. Mine's not here. I am on mainnet Flux. You just have to find the main Flux pairing. It'll just say Flux there, and that's all you need. Simply click on this once you have it added. Hit receive, and then you can just click on your address. It will have it copied, and this is the address you are going to need to mine to. Now we got to move on to the next step, and that is mining software. As for mining software, I do recommend the MiniZ miner. You can find this from this website here of their own. I like to use the GitHub as always. This is the latest. Last update was June 12th. You can also try out Gminer, as it seems to update a little more often. You may get a little bit of increased performance. But myself, I'm going to use this with MiniZ, and so far it does seem to be the best miner for Flux. So once you do download the miner, you're going to need this password to extract it. You can see right here, Windows password is just MiniZ. So we're going to have to click on here. Once it asks for the password, type in MiniZ, and then just hit enter. And that was the wrong password because it was probably a capital. So I'm going to go Mini, capital Z, and there we go. So it's Mini with a capital Z at the end. And then our virus protection decided it wanted to pull up. So we're quickly going to jump into this. I know it's not any virus. We're going to click allow and advice. Start, yes, and we're all good. Everything's good. So if that pops up for you right away, make sure you allow it before it tries to quarantine. Then you got to go searching for it and allow it again. Remember, most mining software will come up as saying it's some type of Trojan. So make sure you are getting it from a legit site like I will have in the description. So when you first load up MiniZ, you won't have this bat file here. You're going to have the GUI and then the application. So just double click on the GUI. It will bring you up into all the information you're going to need. So here, this is where it's going to auto create this bat file. The first time you do it, like I said, that bat file is not there. So we need our server ports and everything. Myself, I'm going back to HeroMiners here. I am in Canada, but on the west end. So North American West is closer to me than Eastern Canada. So I am using US Flux HeroMiners port 1200. So just simply copy this, copy, and I'm going to bring that up into here. Just going to do everything all over just so you can see what's going on. So I'm going to paste that in there. We do have to get rid of the 1200 port and semicolon, and then put it in the actual port section. So we have our server here, our port on the right side. We got to open up our Zelcore wallet, copy our address, bring that into the wallet part here, paste that in, and then name your worker whatever you want. At that point, you can simply just hit the start button. There you go. It will now begin mining. Now, when you do that as well, it does create that bat file. So now you can run this off this bat file. Once I edit this, you can see all the commands are there that we just threw in there. Our wallet address, the URL, the pool we're using, our worker name, everything is now in there, as well as a go-to loop. Now, a loop means if your miner quits, it will restart the miner as long as you have this GUI here kind of opened up. So that is it. We are now hashing away at HeroMiners on my RTX 3080 NVIDIA GPU. Let's slide over into Hive OS and show you how to do this in Hive OS. All right, so here I am in my Hive OS dashboard. I am going to be utilizing an RX 580 4GB card for Flux. Now, Flux has a fixed DAG size of about 2.9 gigabytes, and it's supposed to remain at that and never increase. So 4GB cards all the way up to whatever is good to go on Flux for pretty much ever. So that's awesome. All right, so once you are on your main set of rigs, simply click on wallets because you're going to need a wallet address to actually mine to. Click add wallet, type coin in the ticker here. So we're going to hit flux, and then paste your wallet address into here. Name your wallet whatever you want, bunch of gobbledygookers. Obviously, you're going to name it something you're going to remember, and then hit create. I have all mine set up, so I don't need to do this process, so I'm going to hit the cancel button. Now we're going to need our flight sheet. That's pretty much what we did in Windows with setting up MiniZ, except for here, I am going to utilize GMiner. So I'm going to hit my coin. We're just going to type F, Flux should pop up. There's Flux. Select the wallet, my Flux wallet. That is whatever you did name it. And now pool. Now HeroMiners is part of this. So I'm just going to put an H. HeroMiners pops up. And now you just select whatever stratum you need. Again, I went with US West. I simply click that, scroll down, hit apply. And now we need our miner, GMiner. You can see NVIDIA, AMD, NVIDIA, AMD, and MiniZ is strictly only for NVIDIA. So you can try LOL miner if you want. Remember, play around with miners. Some do outperform others. Some use more power. Some use less power. Whatever one updates, try the latest version, see if it's better for you. Myself, for these AMD GPUs, I am going with GMiner. So now we're going to set up our miner config. Everything should be here, but always go into here just to make sure. It looks like everything is good. I'm just going to cancel out of that. We're going to name this video test. Again, name it anything you want and create your flight sheet. Once you do have your flight sheet created, simply pick your rig. I'm on the rig already. Go to my flight sheets here and then click on the rocket ship right here that you just made, and it'll send it to the moon. Mine's already up and running, and we are mining away at HeroMiners. Hive OS, obviously, there's a lot less steps, way faster and way easier than setting up in Windows, but hopefully, whether you are in Windows or Hive OS, you are up and mining Flux for yourself. All right, guys, so if you do have any questions, if you're not up and mining or you're getting some type of error, be sure to join the Discord, ask the question, or let me know in the comments below. But here we are, HeroMiners, 0% pool fees, 0% parallel asset fees, as well as instantly paid all these parallel assets as each block is mined. Thank you for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Rabid out.